Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2,843rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, we're into Christmas week. It's a big holiday week. Markets are going to get thin and choppy. If we cannot get a fill today, we'll back away for the rest of the week because you've got Monday to trade, Tuesday's a half day, Wednesday's Christmas. So we'll probably back off if we can't get a fill on Monday. But let me show you what's going on for trading on Monday. This is video 2843 for trading on December 23rd, Monday, 2024. Please remember this is a very risky game. Risky. We got beat up in gold trading last week. It's a risky game for anybody. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. I've been doing this 43 years. We were wrong in gold on Friday. So please be careful. Put your stops in first. Know the risks behind this game. Dow Jones Transportation Average chart you are looking at. OMNI comes in with a buy signal. So I have to tell you we've got a green OMNI. Hooray. We love these green OMNIs. So we've got a green OMNI for transportation average. And I went and looked at the charts to see what OMNI's possibly looking at. And maybe this is it. This blue average. In fact, we don't really need to look at this orange one. Let's just get rid of that for now. This blue average is the 200 bar moving average. Very closely watched by the street. Now look what happened last time we got down to it. One bar under and we started our ascend. We get back, one bar under it, and we start our ascend. Here we are, top day Friday. We had one bar under it, and it settled higher. OMNI comes in with the green OMNI. I say we go with what we see. Is this a repetitive pattern? I think it is. Subscribe to these videos today, Omniacs. Make sure you do that right now. But let me show you something else. You see this repetitive pattern bouncing off of an average? Well, sometimes you get that, or you get it bouncing off of some geometry. So let's go look at another chart right here. See if I can point this out to you. Look at the gold. Green OMNI and gold. Look at this down here. Bounce, right? Line gets started. Bounce, line created. Bounce, line working. Average gets involved. Bounce, average gets involved again. Bounce, you see that average right there? So you've got a moving average and you've got another repetitive pattern in gold and a green OMNI for trading on Monday. So we like buying dips in gold and buying dips in certain U.S. indices if we could get a fill for trading on Monday. So remember, I think that we're going to go with buy the dips. I think this is a repetitive pattern. Until it proves to not repeat, we follow and go with what we see. If you look down here, it almost hit it and bounced from there. So there's really 4 instances right here alone. Right? 1, 2, just about hit, 4. So far, it's called a repetitive pattern. Same thing I showed you in the gold chart. I say we call it a repetitive pattern until it gives itself another name. Traders, I hope these videos are helping. Come join me at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you subscribe to these videos right now. Do it today. And then remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We say this to ourselves over and over again, especially when we're in a bad one. Are you with me, traders? Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Stops